Okay, hi second graders. Today we are looking at our fluency practice activity page. So that's the orange page at the end of our topic. Can you believe we're already at the end of another topic? We're going to find that on page 177. So if you can please take out your book, page 177. I'm going to share my workspace here. All right, so here we have fluency practice activity. We see Marta on this page. Again, 177. And here are the directions. I'm going to go ahead and read those and you can follow in your book. Find a partner. Point to a clue. Read the clue. Look below the clues to find a match. Write the clue letters in the box next to the match. Find a match for every clue. Okay, so there's a lot of steps that they give us to follow with this page. My suggestion to you, and I've made this suggestion to you before, whenever you get to one of these pages where you're looking for clues and you have to match them with a set, is to do the equations first. Okay, if you do the equations first, then you can see the answers right away and it makes everything flow a lot better. And bonus, it also gives you practice with your facts and building your fluency with them. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a few together first just to kind of get some practice with it. So for example, if I look at my first box, I see 6 minus 5, and I'm just going to go through and do all the differences. Remember, a difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. I'm going to record all of the differences for this first box. So 6 minus 5 equals 1. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 10 minus 10 equals 0. And 9 minus 9 equals 0. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the next box as well. So I have 17 minus 9. All right, so this one might not be one that you have in your long-term memory. So what is a strategy that we can do? Well, you can always do, for example, an open number line or a related fact. One of those strategies. One that we often use is scooping up that smaller number and counting onto the bigger number. So that would look and sound like this: 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I see I have 8 there. So 17 take away 9 gives me a difference of 8. My next one, 9 take away 1. That equals 8, right? If you have 9 grapes and you eat one of them, you'll be left with 8. 13 take away 5. That might be one you have in your long-term memory. That is 8. If we want to check it, we can scoop up 5 and count on. It sounds like this: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? Okay, and then finally 12 take away 4. All right, let's try it again. We'll scoop up 4 and we'll count on until we get to 12. It looks and sounds like this: 8, 9, I'm sorry, starting with 4, I apologize. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see my difference is 8. Okay, good. All right, so you will go through each of these boxes, guys, and first write all the differences. Then you'll have all the information that you need to match it with a clue. Okay, so the next thing it asks us to do is to point to a clue. Now, it says to find a partner. You can play this game with a partner if you have someone at home, a grown-up at home, or a brother and sister at home that you can play this game with. You can play with a partner, but you can also play this game by yourself. So if you don't have a partner, that's okay. I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to play this game on my own. So all I'm going to do is kind of close my eyes and point. So I'm going to do that right now. And Boom. Okay, so then once I point to a clue E, it says every difference is greater than 8. Every difference is greater than 8. Now, I have not done all of my differences yet, right? But if I just look at the 2 that I have, do I have one where all my differences are greater than 8? I do not, right? These are all smaller than 8, and these are all exactly 8. So far, from what I've done, I don't have a box yet that matches this clue. Okay, so let me try again. I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to point. All right, so this time I pointed to B. Let's see, it says every difference is less than 2. Okay, so of the 2 that I've done, do I have one where every difference is less than 2? I sure do. This first box here, right? I have a 1, 0, 0, and 0. Those are all less than 2. So I can go ahead and put B in that box, and I can go ahead and cross out B to kind of just help myself stay organized as I'm going through. Okay, now if you're playing with a partner, it would be your partner's turn to close their eyes and point. If you're playing by yourself, then you would just go ahead and repeat, closing your eyes and pointing and looking to see which box follows the clue. Okay, all right, so this is our fluency practice. We're at the end of the chapter, guys. We're just moving right along. Next time, we are going to be looking at our reteaching pages before our end of topic assessment. So if you have any questions or need to talk about any of this more, let me know. We can meet after our Google Meet. But other than that, hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you very soon. Okay? All right, guys. Bye.